I'm Pat Mundy, Marketing Communications Supervisor at Leupold and Stevens. This is the new Leupold VX2 rifle scope. We have quite a few new features in here. Probably the heart of the product is the quantum optical system, which has improved light transmission and resolution by leaps and bounds over its predecessor. It also has an externally threaded fast focus eyepiece and finger adjustable windage and elevation adjustments. The result is a very usable product that's Leupold rugged. It brings a whole new level of optical performance with the same mechanical reliability people have come to know and trust. If you want more information about this product, go to www.leupold.com.